Blessed Sunday evening. This is the Vicente report, and I'm reporting on tropical storm Debby, which is almost a hurricane. We're going to get the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center at about 11 o'clock, and it's almost that time. I fully expect the National Hurricane Center to say that Debby is a hurricane as it advances toward the Big Bend area of Florida. It's already bringing heavy rains to that area and points east because the major rain bands are to the east of the storm. And it probably will be at least a Category 1, maybe a Category 2 storm as it approaches the Big Bend coastline, not too far from Tallahassee. Tallahassee will be, Tallahassee, as many of you know, is inland, and it will be a little bit to the northwest of where I think the center will impact the coastline. Then it will move slowly, very slowly in the next few days toward the northeast and then the east. And it looks like it's going to stall just off the coast of Georgia. I expect many trees to be down in the heavily forested region of northwest Florida Peninsula or entering into the Panhandle. There's going to be a lot of power outages in that area, maybe even in Tallahassee. It depends on the exact track of the storm. And also very major, possibly unfortunately catastrophic flooding in the Florida-Georgia border region, and then in points east and northeast, especially from Charleston down to Savannah. I think Savannah is a focal point of major flooding because the future maps are saying that Debby will stall just off the coast of South Carolina. The latest maps that I see are calling for Debby to stall maybe Tuesday and into Wednesday just off the coast of Georgia and maybe creep up to off the coastline of South Carolina. We will see, because this is a very uncertain forecast. I'm going to try to show you the map from the National Hurricane Center right here. So I'll get off the screen and you could see the map of the future track that the Hurricane Center presents. It has the Debby impacting the coast early Monday morning and then curving toward the east off Georgia and then moving up into South Carolina. Now this may drastically change. Possibly the storm will stall even more off the coast of Georgia. And here's Savannah, here's Charleston. This will bring continuous heavy rainfall. And yes, it's possible that there could be catastrophic flooding. So keep alert to everything the National Hurricane Center says and local authorities. May God protect you and bless you in this coming week. In the long term, for folks in the northern part of Virginia where I live, we may get relief from the drought as the system kicks off showers and thunderstorms to the north. I'm not sure if the center will actually reach into Virginia. That's a wait and see type of thing, because the forecast maps are uncertain in regards to this. And thank you very much for listening. May God bless you. Good night.